Thanks for tuning into Opticon Online. I'm thrilled to be talking to you today about personalization and how it can increase customer engagement, drive loyalty, and of course, increase conversions. But before we dig into the how, let's talk about why. First of all, customers expect it. Shoppers have high expectations for personalized experiences and are more likely to shop with brands that provide offers and recommendations that are relevant to them. Unfortunately, many brands fall short of customer expectations, but this gap is an opportunity to deliver better results through personalization. Brands can see up to a 50% reduction in customer acquisition costs, 30% increase in marketing ROI, and up to 15% revenue uplift. So now that we understand the why, let's take a look at the how by stepping into the life cycle of a personalization campaign. Now, where does a personalization campaign start? Well, like most things, it starts with an idea. And great personalization ideas can come from anywhere in the organization, from your marketing team to the product team to the ecom team, and perhaps even frontline sales folks. With collaboration, which is not something you're going to get from other A/B testing or personalization tools, by the way, we are able to source ideas from across your organization and streamline the process of creating, managing, and collaborating on a personalization campaign. From this customizable request form, we can take in ideas, determine what ideas we want to move forward with by accepting that idea, and then turning that idea into a hypothesis. Within the hypothesis, we house the campaign brief, variation and design files, as well as housing all of our workflows related to our personalization campaign and any comments and attachments that are related to that campaign. Now, by using collaboration, we can ensure product, marketing, and development teams are all on the same page, working transparently, efficiently, and toward a common goal. So now that you can see in our workflow, we're ready to launch. Let's take a look at the Mosey Fashion website to see personalization in action. On this site, we're using both rules-based and machine-driven personalization. Rules-based personalization adjusts content based on predefined criteria like user activity or status. For example, first-time visitors see generic content while returning visitors see more tailored recommendations. Here, we're looking at the default homepage for a new and anonymous visitor. I've set up a rule to display an email capture header for frequent visitors. So now, after refreshing the site, we're going to be considered a frequent visitor, and we're served that personalized prompt asking us to sign up for an email list. Let's take a look at some other ways we've personalized on the site. Let's explore shoes. Today, I'm interested in a pair of strappy sandals. For some reason, I've decided not to purchase. When I next go to the home page, I'm going to be served a reminder to jump back in and look at that product and give it a second look. Now let's browse some different shoes. We've got a pair of boots here, and we're also interested in some sneakers. Since we've looked at several pairs of shoes that are the same brand, we're now served with a personalized discount for that product directly on the product page. This is going to encourage customers to complete their purchases. Now that we've seen personalization in action, let's take a look at how we created this personalized experience. Now we've jumped into the personalization platform, which is where our personalization campaigns live. So let's take a look at our homepage Always On campaign to see how those experiences are organized. Here we have 3 different personalization experiences, and they're organized from least specific at the bottom to most specific at the top, so that as the customer behavior changes, they move through the different experiences until they're in the one most specific to their wants and needs. You'll also notice that our starting personalization has multiple variations. Here I'm running what's known as a multi-armed bandit. And what that does is give you as much value as possible out of your personalization. So as it runs, it will automatically funnel visitors into the best performing variation. All of these personalized experiences were created using our WYSIWYG visual editor. We can use the visual editor to add net new elements to the page, such as this personalized offer banner, but we can also use it to change the existing elements on the page, such as the text of this copy using our generative AI to give us some options. We can change the color of that text as well with a couple simple clicks. But what we can also do is use our handy templates, which are reusable components that are implementable in a very low code to no code way. Optimizely gives you a variety of 25 to 30 different modals and templates to choose from. Things like email capture forms, product recommendations that you can use in different personalized experiences or in experiments. And with a couple clicks, we can add a new element to the page and very simply manipulate that in a no-code manner. So once that template is implemented, we can make some adjustments here. We can change the copy, and we can save that to our experience. All right, that's a wrap for what I wanted to show you today for Optimizely personalization. The tool can do a lot more than what we talked about today. So please feel free to jump in the chat, ask any questions you may have, and I'll be happy to answer those for you.